Welcome to the IMMERSE manufacturing experience. Your distributed manufacturing teams need to speak confidently about safety, quality, and equipment in order to reduce operational costs, increase efficiency, and build a global culture of inclusivity. Here's what this manufacturing enablement experience looks like.
Here we build, race, and ship cars. Today we'll be learning about safety rules and regulation.
Each lesson starts with a warm-up, where the Fluency Performance Coach introduces key vocabulary you'll need.
Let's take a look at the 6 safety phrases that I have on the board. Match the definition to the phrase, and as you do, read the title out loud. So for example, I'm going to take smoking is not allowed, and I'm going to place it next to no smoking. And Tony, will you be the first one?
Next comes the lecture. The coach shares how to use key vocabulary in context.
For example, we often see no or things we cannot do. No trespassing.
No trespassing.
Great job.
At the end of the lesson, students receive class notes to review on their own time. Now it's time to put learning into action. The Fluency Performance Coach provides students with prompt cards to kick off their practice conversations.
Your job is to create a sentence using the words on the card and say it to your partner. Then your partner will come up with another way to phrase that rule.
Running is not allowed.
No running allowed.
Now the real test begins. Students take on a role play without any prompts, tackling safety concerns or requesting different equipment just as they would in the workplace.
So for example, I might say, everyone must wear a hard hat before entering the production floor.
All right. You must wear the protective gears before entering the production area. Right. So here's where we test our truck.
Oh no, what do I do if it's on fire?
So you would use a fire extinguisher.
Under the coach's supervision, this is where real-world skills and confidence come to life. The lesson wraps up with a quick check-in, allowing the system to track student progress and managers to easily review results. This is functional fluency for manufacturing, powered by IMMERSE.